Welcome to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you on how to easily add a business location to your Instagram profile. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile. If your account is private or personal, you'll need to convert it to a professional business account. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner and then go to settings, then account, and then select switch to. Follow the prompts and select the option that best describes you. Choose whether you want to display your business category on your profile and tap Done. Wait for the account conversion process to finish. Now select Business and proceed. Choose your email preferences and tap Next. You'll have the option to add your business address. Enter your street address, city or town, and optionally the zip code if you want to set up your professional account later. You can skip that step. Now tap on Edit Profile and then Contact Options. Enable Display Contact Information and save the changes. And congratulations! You have successfully added your business location to your Instagram profile. Thank you for watching.